我是 Katrina. Welcome to Smart Mandarin Video Lesson. In today's lesson, I'm going to teach you 5 vocabulary of HSK2. And if you want to download the PDF file and the audio review file, you can go to my Patreon and join as a member, or just purchase my course on Teachable to become my lifetime student. And here is my Instagram account. If you want to follow me, I put up some photos about my life in Taiwan and also some updates about Smart Mandarin. So if you want to follow, here is my Instagram account. Now, without further ado, let's get started. The first one is 位子. 位子. So 位子 means the seat. It's a noun. 位子. So 一个位子 means one seat. If you go to a restaurant, you might ask the waiter, do you still have any tables available? But in Mandarin we say, do you still have any seats available? So I would ask the waiter, 你们还有位子吗? Especially in a busy restaurant, you're not really sure, so you can make a phone call and ask them, 你们还有位子吗? 你们 is you guys, which means a restaurant. 还 means still. 有 to have. 位子 seat. 吗 is yes or no. 你们还有位子吗? Or you can drop the 还 to ask. 你们有位子吗? Do you have seats? 你们有位子吗? Do you have seats available? The next scenario is that if you want to sit down somewhere in the public on the bench or chair and you're not sure if the seat is taken, so you ask the person next to the empty seat and then you ask, is the seat available? Is the seat taken? So in Mandarin we say, 这个位子有人坐吗? 这个 this 位子 the seat 有人 literally means to have someone. 坐 means sit. So 这个位子有人坐吗? It means that this seat has somebody sit here. It sounds kind of weird, right? But it's really direct and literal. Is the seat taken? Is the seat that has somebody sit already? Okay. 这个位子有人坐吗? And maybe the person say 有 means it is taken because there's somebody sitting there taking the seat. If someone says 没有, which means no have, means no, it means that the seat is not taken, which means that you can sit down. 有没有 that would be the answer. So again, 这个位子有人坐吗? 这个位子有人坐吗? Next one. 订 means to book or to order. The easiest one is 订披萨 to order a pizza. 我要打电话订披萨. 我要 I want to, I'm going to. 打电话 make a phone call. 打电话我要打电话订披萨. I want to make a phone call, order pizza. 我要打电话订披萨. Or you could say 订位子. Okay, 订 to order, to book. 位子 is seat. So 订位子 means to book a table in the restaurant. But in Mandarin we say book a seat in the restaurant. So 订位子. Sentence. 你会用中文订位子吗? 你会用中文订位子吗? 你会 you know how to. 用中文 用 means to use. 用中文订位子吗? Do you know how to use Mandarin to book a seat, literally? So it means that do you know how to book a table with Mandarin Chinese? 你会用中文订位子吗? Also, we could use 订 as in to book a ticket. Book a train ticket, book a bus ticket, book a movie ticket. So I would say 订火车票. 订火车票 to book train ticket. 票 is ticket. 订飞机票 to book air ticket, 订飞机票 or 订票 is just to book tickets in general. 订票我要上网订票我要 I want to or I'm going to 我要上网上网 means to surf the net, remember? 上网 I mentioned the word in my HSK2 course, in beginner's course on my Teachable. You can go there if you want to. So, 我要上网 up the net means to surf the net. 订票 to book tickets in general. 我要上网订票 Next one, 冷 cold. 冷 This is very easy. You could say 今天很冷 Today very cold, which means it's cold today. 今天很冷今天很冷 or you feel cold, that's how you feel. You could say 我觉得很冷我觉得很冷 I feel cold. 我觉得很冷上课上课 means to go to class. 上中文课 to go to a Chinese class, to have a Chinese class. 上中文课 Example, 你喜欢上我的中文课吗？你喜欢 like 上我的中文课吗？ Do you like to go to my Chinese class? 你喜欢上我的中文课吗？上课记得记得 means to remember. The easiest example is 好久不见你记得我吗？好久不见 Long time no see. 你记得我吗？ You remember me? Yes or no? Do you remember me? 好久不见你记得我吗？我当然记得你 Of course I remember you. 我当然 Of course 当然我当然记得你 Of course I remember you. So I of course remember you. 我当然记得你 Again, if you want to download the audio file and PDF file, please join me on my Patreon with a monthly subscription or just purchase my course to become my lifetime student on Teachable. Thank you for watching as always, and I will see you in the next lesson. 谢谢你们，再见。